Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. Today I'm going over some pretty crazy news. If you haven't heard yet, Uber is now allowing riders to record audio of rides. They're doing this in several countries and possibly even the US soon. They say they're aiming to do that mainly because of safety reasons. You know, there's a lot of things that go inside of Uber and Lyft cars that you might not know, or if you're a driver, you know, there's a lot. I had one guy like offer me money to sleep with him or like to hang out with him for the night, or I don't know, he was like touching me, I mean, there's like some crazy weird stuff that goes on inside of Uber cars, and I'm gonna basically get into how Uber and Lyft is combating this. There's been a lot of fake drivers who pick up passengers and stuff. It's raining, I'm gonna go inside. I don't know why I'm even outside. No, just kidding. You guys know me. I love the outdoors. I love going to the beach. But it's raining in LA, so I gotta go inside and yeah, I gotta chill with you guys because we are gonna talk about some crazy stuff. Honestly, absolutely insane. I never thought that this would, this is something I've been advocating for so long. This is the first step. The second step is to get cameras inside of every car. I think it is almost completely necessary to have cameras recording every single ride, making sure that passengers are behaving, drivers are behaving. I think, well, they already have GPS to make sure drivers don't speed, but also mainly for riders so they don't do anything funky for drivers, because you know what's the number one thing that both riders and drivers fear with using Uber or Lyft? Safety, right? I don't even drive at night because I don't know if some weirdo is gonna get in my car and, you know, it's pitch black outside and no one's there to witness it. So I try to just drive during the day. Yeah, I know it's crazy, but that's the reality. So I'm gonna go over it. This is from ABC News. Uber to let users record audio of rides in Brazil and Mexico. It looks like it's saying that Brazil is in Mexico. I think they forgot an and. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think grammatically it should say Brazil and Mexico. However, here we go. Regardless, that's not really important. Uber is planning to let passengers and drivers record audio rides in Brazil and Mexico as part of a pilot and in the hopes of addressing safety concerns. So this was seriously written out this morning around 4 hours ago. So, you know, I am kind of late, sorry. You know, I was at the gym when I saw this and, you know, I had a killer workout. But regardless, Uber will allow passengers and drivers in Brazil and Mexico to record audio of their rides, blah, blah, blah. The ride-hailing company plans to pilot the feature in cities in both countries in December. That's next month. Honestly, in about less than 2 weeks. It eventually hopes to launch in other markets, including the United States, although it has no timeline. So essentially, in my opinion, guys, they're testing this out to see if it works, to even do, if it, sorry, I'm like frazzled because this is crazy. They're testing it out to see if they should do it in the United States because, let's face it, there's a lot of drivers and a lot of rides going on in the United States alone. I wouldn't be surprised if it's more in the US than in some of these other countries, but I could also be wrong on that, so do not quote me on that. I'm not an Uber expert. I am just a driver sharing my opinion and also a rider too. I take rides a lot. Why? Because parking sucks in LA and sometimes I just feel like taking a ride and I get like $2.50 off because I refer passengers so for every ride. So sometimes a ride, few mile ride for me only costs like $3, so it's like, you know, better to do that, don't even have to drive, than drive and pay for parking, you know what I mean? So regardless, this feature will allow customers to opt into recording all or select trips. Recordings will be stored on the rider or driver's phone and encrypted to protect privacy, and users will not be able to listen to them. They can later share a recording with Uber, which will have an encryption key if they want to report a problem. So that is very important. Hello, yes, you can see me in this mirror, this huge mirror. No, I don't have a second table over there, and no, that's not my friend, that's actually me. All jokes aside, Uber is going to allow passengers to record rides, or drivers and riders to record rides, but you won't not be able to listen to them. It's not like you know, oh, I have a cute passenger, let me record this ride so I can listen to it later. No, you are doing this in the event that something happens. If there is a problem, if there's a false report, this could prevent false reports. I've talked about this time and time again. There have been several rideshare YouTubers deactivated. Rideshare Revolution, he is a YouTuber. Well, he's a former Uber driver who he got deactivated, and he claims that the passenger lied, right? So if he was able to have this recording and he could say that, you know, hey, you know, listen to the audio, was I being, because he actually, you know, I don't know what it was for. I don't know if it was inappropriate comment or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But you guys can imagine, like, the same thing with Dustin is driving. Well, I think that for Dustin's case, he got, well, that was for Lyft, but he got deactivated for, I'm pretty sure it was the passenger said he was drunk driving. So again, the audio maybe could show that he's talking normally, but like I said, this is a good step because in the future, I think all rides should be recorded on video as well, just for safety reasons alone. You know, that's not to publish on the internet. I firmly believe that, you know, I'm a big thing about privacy, and I'm glad that they're not letting drivers actually listen to them. But like, I honestly, just between you and me, guys, I don't think it's right to record rides of your passengers and then post them on the internet. If you want to record rides and, you know, keep it for, you know, insurance reasons or safety reasons or whatever, that's fine. But I don't think it's really meant for entertainment purposes. Like, I don't want to get inside of a car and somebody's, you know, live streaming that on the internet, even if it's just my audio. Like, and yeah, Uber and Lyft have said that that's against their terms of service. So, you know, maybe that's why Rideshare Revolution was deactivated. I don't know. But all I'm saying is that this is a good step in the right direction. And it's also important to note that drivers and riders cannot even listen to this. So this is not like, you know, whatever. I think this is good, but here we go. Whether the recording feature will deter violent behavior to help riders and drivers is unknown, but Uber stands to benefit because the recordings could help the company mitigate losses and rein in liability for incidents that flare up between drivers and passengers. For example, if a shouting match erupts between a driver and passenger and both accuse the other of being verbally abusive, the recording could help Uber determine where fault lies after the incident, mitigating any kind of loss or claim that could be made against the driver. It probably is not going to prevent something from happening. It probably will just help you analyze what we could do to change outcomes the next time. I'm sorry, Rickert, whatever your name is, but I highly disagree. I think that when passengers are aware that the ride is being audio recorded, I think that will definitely deter somebody from saying something. If they know that, oh, this ride is being recorded and every single thing that I say, Uber will have access to, why would you even assume that a rider would act the same way? If I go into a grocery store and I see myself being recorded, I automatically shift my way of behaving. Even though I'm not gonna do anything wrong, you just know that you're being recorded, so you know, all automatically you're acting differently. And yes, cameras, the whole reason that people set up cameras and home security systems is to prevent things as well. Not just to say, oh, when somebody breaks in, now we have footage. So I'm sorry, Tom Rickard, but I highly disagree with you. Uber says the new feature will promote accountability and help its safety team take decisive action when needed. The recording feature also raises privacy concerns that drivers or passengers could have conversations recorded without their knowledge or consent. It's a digital recording. It's going to exist on a server somewhere. Yes, it can be encrypted. Yes, it can be hacked. So that is a privacy concern, blah, blah, blah. Sure, whatever. Yes, it can be hacked. But at the end of the day, this is a professional service. It's just like, I don't know. I mean, honestly, what are you afraid that people are listening to you in an Uber car? Like, are you doing anything funky? I think it's great just to prevent safety issues. So here we go. This is basically, yeah, Uber. This is another article from CBS. Uber testing recording safety feature for possible US launch. Pretty much going over the same exact thing. I already read it. I'm just giving you guys the gist. And this is also support the Guardian. There are several people. If you don't know who he is the CEO of Uber currently. Uber will allow passengers and drivers in Brazil and Mexico to record audio rides, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, basically they're doing it in, I'm gonna end this video, sorry. I'm gonna end this video soon because I know you guys are really busy and gotta go out and drive or, you know, do whatever, you know. You guys are busy people, right? Me too, I 100% respect that. So I just wanted to say, guys, like, this is a great step in the right direction. Sorry, I'm going outside. I literally have to run after this, so I just want to like finish this outside because, guys, it is so beautiful. Look at these trees. It's amazing. Yeah, so I just want to say, like, yeah, I'm happy that this is going on. Obviously, there might be some issues, but it's a step in the right direction, 100%. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, please hit the video with a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And also make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video about Uber and Lyft, because I am now committed to updating you guys every single time there is an update. You guys deserve to know it. I'm gonna let you guys know. Sorry, I literally just got back from the gym. I literally almost, well, yesterday, I had my first personal trainer meeting. I wasn't even planning on doing it. I'm just testing out new gyms because, you know, now I'm in Los Angeles. And they were like, oh, do you want a complimentary free training? And I'm like, or they called it a guided workout. You want a free complimentary guided workout? And I'm like, yeah, sure. The guy freaking destroyed me. I could barely even walk. I could barely even drive home. So yeah, anyways, guys, I'm super sore. I need to like sit in the hot tub or something. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. You guys are awesome and stay safe out there, okay? Let me know your thoughts down below. All right, bye guys.